This is the Blackberry Curve 8900, and in this video we're going to show you how to take apart the phone in case you need to make any repairs. First, remove the SIM card, the battery and the back cover from the phone. Using a safe pry tool, run this along the gap between the phone and the small back cover as being shown here in the video to remove the small back cover from the bottom of the phone. Once the clips have been released, you can remove the cover. Once the cover has been removed, using a T6 Torx screwdriver, remove the 6 screws as being shown here in the video. Once the screws have been removed, you should just be able to remove the back layer from the phone as being shown here in the video. Flip the phone over and remove the top piece from the phone. This should be able to be easily removed as well now the screws have been taken out. Next, we need to release the 4 clips as being shown here now in the video, 2 on each side. Unhook the 4 clips using a safe pry tool as being shown here in the video. Once all the 4 clips have been released, you should just be able to release the front cover from the phone. Now we have removed the front cover from the phone, we have access to the trackball, which we can remove and replace if needed. We can also remove the keypad from the front cover. It's just held in with several clips and can be easily pushed out. Once removed, it is easy to put the replacement in place. We are now just left with the front bezel, which can also be replaced if required.